Thicker than thick. Understanding comparisons of size in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of describing and comparing sizes in English. Our main focus is going to be on the comparison phrase, thicker than. It's a commonly used phrase in English, and it's really useful when you want to compare the thickness of two objects or things. To understand thicker than, we first need to grasp the meaning of the word thick. In English, we use thick to describe something that has a large distance between its two opposite sides. It could be a book with many pages, a big fluffy blanket, or a wall that's not thin. Now, when we say one thing is thicker than another, we are comparing their sizes in terms of thickness. Now, let's talk about how to use thicker than. You can use it when you want to compare the thickness of two things. Here's an example. This book is thicker than that magazine. In this sentence, you're saying that the book has more pages, or is wider, than the magazine. Remember, you can use thicker than to compare all sorts of things. Objects like books, walls, or pieces of clothing. Foods, like a thick slice of cake or a thin cracker. Even abstract concepts, like a thick accent compared to a thin, barely noticeable one. Let's practice using thicker than. I'll give you a few comparisons, and you try to fill in the blank. 1. The wooden plank is blank, the cardboard. 2. My coat is blank, your sweater. 3. The pizza dough should be blank, a tortilla. Did you say thicker than for each one? Great job! You're getting the hang of it. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use the comparison phrase, thicker than, to describe and compare the size of different things in English. Keep practicing this new phrase in your daily English conversations and you'll soon master it. Remember, learning a new language is all about consistent practice and patience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this lesson helpful. See you next time with another exciting English language learning topic. Keep practicing and happy learning.